Hello everyone, today I'll be presenting my book, My Sister Julia by Kyle Luna. Charlie adores his little sister Julia. Charlie is 4 years old and Julia is 3 years old. Charlie is already in kindergarten and Julia is about to start pre-kindergarten. They live in San Diego and have fun going to the beach, playing in their big backyard, and swimming in the pool. Charlie likes making new friends with his neighbors. Julia is different from Charlie because she has difficulty talking and sometimes gets mad quickly. Charlie's parents taught him that everyone is different and to treat everyone like you would want to be treated, and that it is okay to be different. Charlie's mom tells him that he is going to stay with his dad while she takes Julia to the doctors for a routine checkup before she goes to preschool. Charlie asks why he is not going, and his mom tells him that Julia has to take a test before she goes to school. But Charlie is still scared because he got a shot when he went to the doctors and does not want that for his little sister. Charlie's mom assures him there will be no shots and that she will stay with Julia the whole time in the room. The tests she is going to take are the Childhood Autism Rating Scale and the Autism Behavior Checklist, and that they would be gone for 2 hours. Charlie's mom assures him that everything that happens will only be between the doctor and their family, and any further information from the test will be private only for Julia's teachers. When they return home, Charlie's mom tells him that Julia has autism spectrum disorder. She explains Julia was born with this and that the family will work to help Julia, and that him being her big brother, it's always important he is always there for her. She explains that autism is why Julia acts differently than he does and that it is okay. Charlie then tells his mom, Julia is my sister, and no matter what, I will always love her. Thank you.